Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send offers to interested shoppers. Now, this is great because it automatically sends a coupon to shoppers who have added one of your items to their carts or favor something in your shop. So if you're actively asking visitors to favorite your listings, the strategy that I talk about on this video, then this will help you increase your sales. And it's a great marketing strategy that you could start applying right away to start getting sales on a continuous basis. Also, you want to make sure that you stick around all the way to the end so you could grab my free Etsy SEO 8-page PDF guide. So let's head over to my computer and I will show you step by step how to send an offer to interested shoppers. All right, so here we are on my computer. When you're ready to run this offer, all you need to do is click on Shop Manager. From here, you're going to go to Marketing, Sales, and Coupons. You're going to click on New Special Offer. And then you're going to go to the second one, Send Offers to Interested Shoppers. Now from here, you're able to select who you want to send an offer to, or your target offer to abandoned cart shoppers. So people that added something to their cart but didn't complete the sale, or recent favor shoppers, people who favor something from your shop. So let's go ahead and do that one for now. And from here, you could select the coupon. You could do a percentage off, a fixed amount off. You could do free shipping or use an existing coupon. I usually do the percentage off. And let's say I want to send everyone a 10% off. And then you would choose a coupon code. So I'm going to say, usually I do thanks, but this one I'm going to change it up and I'm going to say, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to make it a little bit long. Thanks for stopping by. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on review and confirm. This is how your coupon link will look like. And when you click on review, it's going to give you the review again. It's going to show you coupon. It's going to tell you the amount that you're offering, 10%. Make sure that you kind of go through this so you don't make a mistake and put 100% or something by mistake. Recent favorite, all my shops. And then this is a coupon code right here. So I'm going to go ahead and launch campaign. I could actually share this if I wanted to on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, or you could just copy the URL if you wanted to. And then this special will be right here. And then from here, you'll be able to come back to your metrics to verify how many people, oops, let me cancel this. From here, you'll be able to verify how many people are actually using the coupon, how many sales you have gotten from it. So this is how simple it is to send a coupon to anyone that either has abandoned a cart, like they didn't complete the purchase, or for anyone that has favored your listing. But this one I think is my favorite one, favorite listing, because if you get a lot of people favoring your listings and they actually like your listings, the likelihood of them buying is a lot greater. So just keep that in mind, especially when you run a special like this. But this is how simple it is. Let me know if you're going to be trying this for your very own listings. And guys, if you want to grab the Etsy SEO guide, I will leave the link right below the video. Thank you again for watching.